Good afternoon, non-student. The previous section we are learned CSV file reader in Python. So today we are going to discuss about CSV model reader function. So you can read the contents CSV file with the help of what is that CSV.reader method. What is the method we are using? CSV.reader method. The reader function is designed to take each line of the file and make it the list of columns. So you just choose the column you want the variable or data for. Which one you need, that you will have, just choose them. Using this method one can able to read the data from the CSV file. So with this method we can use and read the data from the CSV file or different format. What is the format we are like? Quotes and pipe and comma. So what is the syntax of the CSV reader is CSV reader. What is the we are using in between the square bracket? File object, delimiter and another format parameters. So the file object means passes the path and mode of the file, and delimiter means optional parameter containing the standard delays like and extra others will be can be omitted. And optional format parameters, optional parameter which help to override the default values of the delays like skip initial space, quotation, etc. Others will be can be omitted. So first CSV file data with the default delimiter comma. First you are using CSV file data with the default delimiter comma, and second one data with the space at the beginning, and third point data with the quotes, and fourth point data with the custom delimiter. First is a CSV file with the default delimiter comma. The following program if the files is called sample1.ca with a default delimiter comma and print row by row. So listen, first importing the CSV file. So imported the CSV, first hash opening the CSV file with the different location with the read mode. What is the read? Not at all, you have erase and write anything you want to change anything, just read it only. With open bracket C is the directory and Python is the program, sample1.csv, R is the reader, as another F is the folder. And other way, this is the one way. Another other way open the file mean F format equal to file equal to C Python sample.csv.r is the object format method. And another one's reader equal to csv.reader file. So printing each line of the data row by row. So here given what is that all given, that's all will be or display in the tabular column row by row. So this another print row and F and the file will be closed. So the output will be what is your program, the table is there, they will be printed serial number, name and city. So serial number they will be and given the name of the person and which place they will be stay. So our next format is the CSV file data with the space at the beginning. Space at the beginning. Here using comma. So consider the following file CSV data containing the following data when open through the notepad. Here is a tabular column. What is they given? Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, 1, 2, 3, example 1, example 2, example 3. This is a tabular format. This will be wanted converted with the notepad. Through notepad you want to open this. So how they imported CSV dot register as dialect. So my dialect dot delimiter, we are using delimiter, and skip the initial space equal to true. File will be open, see Python sample2.csv, only reading method. Reader equal to CSV rod either file dot dialect my dialect. And for row in reader, print will be each of the column will be or printed in the row format. So print row form file will be closed. So the output will be what's the tabular column is there, that's format. They using what is that? Semicolon, sorry, not semicolon, double quotes, comma and single quotes they will use and display in your data. So what is the format? Row data. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, 1, 2, 3. Example 1, example 2, example 3. Understood you all of it? As you can see the sample 2 CSV, there are space after the delimiter due to which the output also display with the space. These white spaces can be removed by registering the new dialects using CSV register.dialect. Classes of the CSV. A dialect describe the format of CSV file. It can be able to read. So dialects is the parameter. So in this skip, there will be skip will be an initial space. What are their initial space? That's all skip in your program. So used for removing the white space after the delimiter. Where and all available the white space, all will be a skip in the program. So in the following program, read the sample2 file which contain the spaces limiter. So this is a program. So after that, what is the space and available? That will be all another skip in your program. Understood, student? Thank you.